That's right. Classic Factory decal is officially off the truck, which means the new name for the channel is official. If you noticed, there was no channel introduction in this video at all. I didn't have the little Classic Factory intro after I showed that little snippet at the beginning like I usually do. And that's because I didn't want to reveal everything before I actually made the official announcement in this video. If you paid attention to the YouTube channel, you notice that the banner has already been updated. And if you look at the channel icon, that logo has been changed as well. It's already been posted. But what has not been revealed is the full official channel logo that I designed for the new channel, which, if you've noticed, is now called Southpaw Garage. If you watched the previous video where I talked about the change, I gave you a little hint. That was my left hand, and that's because I am left-handed, and Southpaw is a nickname for left-handers, so I thought that'd be a cool name for the channel, especially since I do videos that aren't just about classic cars, like my truck. It's right back here behind me. So now I'm going to reveal the final Southpaw Garage official logo right here. All right, that's it. Southpaw Garage 2020. I'm really happy with the way this logo turned out and really excited for where this channel goes from here forward. I am going to order another decal for my truck and probably an extra one too, just to have it. Maybe put it on one of my family members' trucks when they're not looking, so I can do a little extra advertising. But Classic Factory is now officially Southpaw Garage. If this is your first video on my channel, if you watch anything posted prior to September 24th, 2020, all that Classic Factory stuff will still be there. I can't take all that out of the videos without taking them down and re-uploading everything, and I just don't want to do that. That would be a lot of views lost and mess up all my analytics and everything like that. So leaving all that stuff up there, but September 24th, 2020 and forward, this channel will be known as Southpaw Garage. Thank you for watching. I hope you look forward to seeing more of my videos. If you do, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give this one a like. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new name and the new logo. I'll see y'all in the next one.